It's time for another episode, Top Trade Schools. New York, come on, get that work. With its rich history in manufacturing and innovation, New York has a thriving and bustling ecosystem of several different manufacturing and engineering sectors. From the bustling streets of New York City to the scenic landscapes of upstate, the Empire State offers a vast array of different sectors for the next group of American trades leaders. It's a powerhouse of manufacturing and innovation with key sectors including aerospace, biotechnology, and Department of Defense work. Major hubs like New York City, Rochester, and Buffalo are at the forefront of these industries, driving economic growth and creating plenty of opportunities for the next generation of manufacturing leaders. Let's check out the schools that are shaping New York's future. Number 3 trade school in New York, SUNY Erie Community College, the Buffalo campus. SUNY Erie Community College is a standout program and great institution for advanced manufacturing and engineering careers. With programs in precision machining, CNC technology, and advanced manufacturing technology, SUNY Erie prepares students for high-paying, in-demand careers in the modern manufacturing sector. Through hands-on training and state-of-the-art facilities and partnerships with industry leaders like Moog Inc. and Sumitomo Rubber USA, students gain the skills and the experience needed to succeed in our high-paced, high-tech industry. SUNY Erie also offers co-op programs and dual enrollment programs for high school students, making education more accessible and affordable. With impressive placement rates, graduates of SUNY Erie are well equipped for success in the workforce. Number 2, Mohawk Valley Community College. Mohawk Valley Community College's School of Trades and Technical Innovation offers comprehensive programs in advanced manufacturing, from CNC machining and tooling to robotics and automation. MVCC provides students with the practical skills and the knowledge necessary to thrive in today's advanced manufacturing environment. Through partnerships with industry leaders such as Indium Corporation and Rome Lab, MVCC students have access to real-world experience and internship opportunities. MVCC also offers dual enrollment programs for high school students and flexible scheduling options to accommodate today's modern working professionals. With a laser focus on affordability and accessibility, MVCC prepares graduates for very successful careers in advanced manufacturing inside and outside the state. And the number 1 trade school for advanced manufacturing and engineering careers in the state of New York, Monroe Community College. MCC gonna help you get this work. Monroe Community College is a leader in advanced manufacturing education in the Rochester, New York, and surrounding areas. With programs in precision tooling and machining, mechanical technology, and computer-integrated machining, MCC equips students with the technical expertise and problem-solving skills needed to excel in advanced manufacturing roles. MCC's partnerships with industry leaders like Harris Corporation and Optimax Systems provide students with hands-on training and internship opportunities. MCC also offers co-op programs and dual enrollment programs, allowing students to earn college credits while still in high school. With a focus on affordability and some of the strongest placement rates, MCC graduates are in the highest demand in the thriving manufacturing sector. Before I wrap this up, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the New York list? If you went to one of these schools and you're an alumni, tell us about how it helped you in your career, so somebody following your path can have a good understanding of how it could change their life. If you didn't like my list and I left something off, make sure you comment below. What did I miss? What schools are better? So they can be considered for the next round. If you have any questions about advanced manufacturing education in the New York area, drop them in the comments too. I got a big network. People can help connect you and fill in any of the blanks that you might have. Join us next time on Top Trade Schools, where we'll be bouncing through Ohio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your community. I want to hear what they think too.